Assalamu alaikum. Student Mathematics Class 10th Punjab Board 2026. Review exercise number 1, question number 5. If z1 is equal to 3 plus 4 iota, z2 is equal to 2 plus 3 iota, then prove that. First part, z1 plus z2 all conjugate is equal to z1 conjugate plus z2 conjugate. So let us start from z1 plus z2. z1 plus z2 is equal to, writing their values, 3 plus 4 iota plus 2 plus 3 iota, we get z1 plus z2 is equal to 5 plus 7 iota. Then take their conjugate, z1 plus z2 all conjugate is equal to 5 minus 7 iota. That is equal to the equation 1. Now z1 is equal to 2 plus 3 iota, which implies z1 conjugate is equal to 2 minus 3 iota. Similarly, z2 is equal to 2 plus 3 iota, and z2 conjugate is equal to, sorry students, z1 is equal to 3 plus 4 iota and its conjugate is equal to 3 minus 4 iota. z2 is equal to 2 plus 3 iota and its conjugate is equal to 2 minus 3 iota. Now add up z1 conjugate plus z2 conjugate. Then we get 5 minus 7 iota, and that is equal to the equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, we can write that z1 plus z2 whole conjugate is equal to z1 conjugate plus z2 conjugate. That is its final proof. Second part, z1 into z2 whole conjugate is equal to z1 conjugate into z2 conjugate. So let us start from z1 into z2. z1 is equal to 3 plus 4 iota and z2 is equal to 2 plus 3 iota. After multiplication, it will become equal to 6 plus 9 iota plus 8 iota plus 12 iota square, which is equal to minus 12. And finally, that is equal to minus 6 plus 17 iota. This is equal to z1 into z2. Now take its conjugate, z1 z2 conjugate is equal to minus 6 minus 17 iota. Equation 1. Student, now find z1 conjugate into z2 conjugate. z1 is equal to 3 plus 4 iota and put the sign of conjugate. z2 is equal to 2 plus 3 iota, put sign of conjugate. Now after taking conjugate, we will multiply, then 3 plus 4 iota conjugate will become equal to 3 minus 4 iota, and 2 plus 3 iota conjugate will become equal to 2 minus 3 iota. Now multiply them. 6 minus 9 iota, 6 minus 9 iota minus 8 iota plus 12 iota square, plus 12 iota square, which will become equal to the minus 12. After subtraction, we will get minus 6 minus 17 iota, and that is equal to the equation 2. We can see that from equation 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, we get z1 into z2 all conjugate is equal to z1 conjugate into z2 conjugate. This is its final result. Now Z1 divided by Z2 all conjugate is equal to Z1 conjugate divided by Z2 conjugate. First we find Z1 divided by Z2. We see that Z1 divided by Z2 is equal to 3 plus 4 iota all divided by 2 plus 3 iota. Now multiply it with the conjugate of the denominator, which is equal to 2 minus 3 iota. Multiply and divide 2 minus 3 iota. Student, we get Z1 divided by Z2 is equal to, after multiplication, 6 minus 9 iota plus 8 iota minus 12 iota square, which is equal to plus 12. In the denominator we get 2 square minus 3 iota whole square. Z1 divided by Z2 is equal to 18 minus iota divided by 4 minus 9 iota square. Z1 divided by Z2 is equal to 18 minus iota 4 9 iota square is equal to minus 9, and after multiplication with minus it will become equal to plus 9. So we get 18 divided by 13 minus iota divided by 13. Now take its conjugate. Z1 divided by Z2 all conjugate is equal to 18 by 13 plus iota by 13. This is equal to the equation 1. Now student, take right hand side, which is equal to Z1 conjugate all divided by Z2 conjugate. Z1 conjugate is equal to 3 plus 4 iota conjugate divided by Z2 conjugate is equal to 2 plus 3 iota with sign of conjugate. Take their conjugate, we get 3 minus 4 iota and 2 minus 3 iota. Now rationalize denominator. Multiply and divide the conjugate of the 2 minus 3 iota, which is 2 plus 3 iota. 2 plus 3 iota. We get 6 plus 9 iota minus 8 iota minus 12 iota square, which will become equal to plus 12. And in the denominator we get 2 square minus 3 iota square, which will become equal to 4 plus 9. And student, we get 18 plus iota divided by 13. Divide 18 with 13 and iota with 13. That is equal to the equation 2. From equation from 1 and 2 we can write that from 1 and 2 we write that Z1 divided by Z2 all conjugate is equal to Z1 conjugate plus Z2 conjugate. That is its final answer. Now come to the fourth part Z1 modulus. We have Z1 is equal to 3 plus 4 iota. Z1 is equal to 3 plus 4 iota, and then take its modulus, Z1 modulus, which will become equal to 3 square the root, 3 square plus 4 square the root 9 plus 16, that is equal to the square root 25, and that is equal to the 5. Equation 1. Now take Z1 conjugate, which is equal to 3 minus 4 iota. Multiply it with minus, we get minus 3 plus 4 iota, and now take its modulus, which is equal to minus square the root minus 3 whole square plus 4 whole square, which will become equal to the square root 9 plus 16, which is equal to 25, and square root of 25 is 5. Equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, we have seen that z1 modulus is equal to minus z1 bar modulus. Come to fifth part, z2 is equal to 2 plus 3 iota. Take its conjugate. On both sides we get 2 minus 3 iota. Again take its conjugate, z2 double conjugate is equal to 2 plus 3 iota. Equation 1. z2 is equal to 2 plus 3 iota. Equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, we can write z2 double bar is equal to the z2. Sixth part, z1 into z1 conjugate. Write z1 and then z into z1 conjugate. Put the value of z1, which is equal to 3 plus 4 iota, and 3 plus 4 iota with the sign of conjugate. Now write 3 plus 4 iota and take conjugate of 3 plus 4 iota, which is equal to 3 minus 4 iota. Multiply them, 3 square minus 4 iota whole square, which will become equal to the 9 minus 16 iota square. Then 16 iota square is equal to minus 16, and after multiplication with minus it will get 16, and then 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. Equation 1. We have z1 is equal to 3 plus 4 iota. Take its modulus, which is equal to 3 square plus 4 square, which is equal to 9 plus 16, 25 square the root, and that is equal to the under root 5, is only 5. Now take square on both sides. We get z1 modulus whole square is equal to 5 square, which is equal to 25. And student, that is equal to the equation 2. Now we can write from 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2 we get z1 into z1 conjugate is equal to the z1 modulus whole square. Thank you very much, student. Allah Hafiz.